we're going to put in it? 25, 20, eh? Since it's an unknown.
Yeah.
Right then. Powder. A somewhat over-lubed patch. I assume it'll take a 440. No.
Have you got a different size rod?
What we can do is we can go ball.
Yeah. And pack it. Yeah. Put a 45
Put a
ball on.
lubed wad on top of it.
Yeah.
Right, so if we take that with us, some powder in the pad. We should wind him up before I prime him.
Yes, because the hammer's not down, so.
No. Here we go.